Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. This question is asking an investment pays $10,000 every 5 years, starting in 7 years for a total of 4 payments. If interest is 9%, how much is this investment worth today? Now let's see how to calculate this one. Here it's 9%, I is 9%, 9% compound yearly. Okay, starting from year 7, year and present worth. Seven, and here 10,000 present factor, and then 9% starting from 7 years. And if you calculate this value, that's going to be 10,000 times 10,000 times. Here it's if you look at this value in the table, you will see that is 0.54703, and that's equivalent to 5,470.3. and 7 plus every 5 years, actually 7 years and every 5 years, so 7 plus 5, 12,000 right here, 10,000 right here, and present factor 9%, 12, and here it's going to be 10,000 times, and if you look at this value on the table, that's going to be 0.35553, and that's equivalent to 3,555.3. now 12 plus 5, that's 17. Here it's going to be 10,000, present factor 9%, and that's 17. 10,000 times, if you look at this value on the table, that's 0.23107, and that is equivalent to 2,310.7. 17 plus 5, that's 22. That is 10,000, present factor 9%, 22, and that's equivalent to 10,000 times 0.15018, and that's equivalent to 1,501.8. now if we add all together, that's going to give us 12,838.1. that's the final answer. 12,838.1. so that's here the question is asking how much is this investment worth today. 12,838.1. there are other methods to solve the same problem. Now let's look at the other method. I use a different color. Here we know that percentage is 9%, so I is equal to 9% right here. First we have to calculate I efficiency. Method 2, I efficiency. To calculate I efficiency, we use this equation: 1 plus this percentage in decimal, that's 0.09, power every 5 years, so we put power 5 minus 1, and if you calculate this one, you're going to get 53.86%. and to calculate the value, we put this equation: P is equal to the initial factor, that is 10,000, initial value, that is 10, the investment pays 10,000 every 5 years, so 10,000 is this one, and after that present factor, so P over A, and the percentage is 53.86, and 5 years for a total of 4 payments, so 4 right here, and if you calculate this one, you're gonna get this is actually P2, and if you calculate this one, this 10,000 PA 53.864, and this is P2. Now we are interested in finding P0. P0 is P2 times P2 times P over F 9%, and here every 5 years starting in 7 years for a total of 4 payments. If the interest is 9%, how much is investment today? PA 53.86% 4, and P2, this is P2, P0 is present factor 9%. Okay, let me double check. This is 7 4 payments and compounded yearly every 5 years, and here it's 2. So this is going to be 10,000. P2 is we calculated, or this is the one we have to put. 10,000 times P over A 53.86% 4, and P over F 9% 2, and if you look at the values on the table, that's going to be 10,000 times 1.5253 times 0.84168. So P0 is equivalent to 12,838, and that's the final value, and that's the same value we got right here. And there's another method. Let's look at the third method. Let's get rid of this. Method 3. Here first we have to find out the A value that can be calculated using this formula. A is equal to this one, 10,000 every 5 years. That's the first thing. And then A over F 9%, interest rate is 9%, and every 5 years, so we put 5 right here, and 10,000, and if you look at this value on the table, that's going to be 0.16709, and this is equivalent to 1670.9, and then P2 is 10,000 times A over F 9% every 5 years, and 4 payments. So 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 5 17, 17 plus 5 21, no 22. Okay, let's see. Every 5 years starting 7 years. 7 years, 12, 7, 12, 17, 22, and here 4 payments of 5, 10, 15, 20. So total 20 years we have. So this is going to be P over A 9%, 20 right here. And if you calculate this value, this is P2, and P0 is basically P2 times P over F 9%, 2. P2 is this one, so let's copy this one down right here. 10,000 A over F 9%, 5. P over A 9%, 20, and then P over F 9%, 2, and this is that if you calculate this one, you're going to get 12,838. That is P0, and that's the final answer. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.